How to set up your HP Smart Tank 5103 printer with the MacBook. So I'll show you how to add it in a MacBook for wireless printing and scanning. So go to the printer display panel. On the panel, press and hold the information button. You will see all the lights will wake up. Now press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button together. Once you see the power light flashing, just release it. Now the wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is in the setup mode. If your MacBook is newer, you will see HP print and support. If that is the old MacBook, then you will see the HP Smart app. In both apps, you can just add the printer easily. Click on the add new printer. It will search for the available printers. Select HP Smart Tank 5100 and click on the setup. Click on the continue. Make sure your MacBook is connected to the same Wi-Fi you want to connect. Select your Wi-Fi from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then click on the continue. Press the flashing information button on the printer display panel. So that's the I button. Press it once and continue the setup on the HP app. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. In the same time, you will see the wireless light on the printer display panel is stable. Now click on the continue. Printer is installed successfully. Press OK. It may ask you to join the HP. You can skip those steps and you can just continue till the end and you will see your printer with estimated level of ink. So that's a very easy setup for the HP Smart Tank 5103 printer. You just have to follow these easy steps and then you can start using it. Hopefully this will help you to set up your printer with the MacBook. Thanks for watching.